Hello and welcome to today's class. Do we have anybody online? No current viewer online.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Evening, Sarah. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, I'm waiting for you online.
Okay, sir.
So come online. Sarah, if you're online, let me know. Once you get online, just send me a message. Sarah? Okay, Sarah, you're welcome. Sarah, I would like us to have a WhatsApp call while we are still on YouTube. So I'm going to call your mom. Kindly pick her call and get the phone close to you so that the class will be more interactive. Sarah, pick up. Okay. Sarah, I would like us to use this as the audio while we are still on YouTube, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, I think that will be better because of the latency. You may be having 30 seconds lateness of hearing me.
Okay.
So you can mute the audio from your laptop while you only use that to see my board. But the phone can be on speaker so that you hear me better.
Yes, sir.
Are you with me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you submit this assignment I gave you?
Yes, sir. I sent it.
Okay. And it seems I've not seen it. Or is it that I didn't check? But do you have any issue with the assignment?
No, sir.
Are you sure of what you did?
Yes.
Okay. Nevertheless, I'm going to give you the solution to what we have here so that you can compare it with what you have done, and then we will continue with the class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. So question number 4. We are asked to find, what's the question? You're asked to express in standard form, right? And this is
Yes, sir.
1900. So 1900 is expressed as 19 divided by 100, right? And we said
Yes, sir.
this can be expressed as 19 divided by 10 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 1.9. This can be said to be 19 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2, right? But we say
Yes,
this is not in standard form, because 19 is said to be greater than 10. So expressing this in standard form is going to give us 1.9 times 10 raised to the power of what? This should be what?
2.
Is it minus 2?
1. Okay, yes, minus 2.
No.
1.9 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2.
It's going to be minus 1. Why? Because this is 19 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And expressing 19 as 1.9 becomes 1.9 times 10 raised to the power of 1, right? Times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. This is because I'm dividing 19 by 10. Okay? Dividing 19 by 10 gives me 1.9 times 10 raised to the power of 1. Because if you multiply 1.9 times 10, it still gives you back your 19, right?
Yes.
Do you understand? If you don't understand, tell me no.
So can you come again?
Okay. Now, let me erase this. Erase this. This is 19 divided by 100, like I said. Now, 19 divided by 100. Remember in your primary, when you were taught how to divide, we said the decimal point is somewhere here, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing what I'm doing
No,
now?
it's like it's late.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, latency. I think that should be latency. Okay, what I will do is I'm going to change this voice note into video, okay? So that you can also see my board from here. Okay. Can you see my board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is 19 divided by 100, right? And this
Yes,
can be
sir.
said to be 19.0, right? 19.0,
Yes, sir.
meaning the decimal point is here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if the decimal point is here, and you are told that in order for you to divide 19 by 100, for you to cancel 1 0, you will move the decimal point 1 time to your left, right?
Yes, sir.
And canceling the other 0, you move it also to this, right? So it definitely means that answer now becomes 0.19, right?
Yes, sir.
So if this is 0.19, expressing this in standard form, we said this is going to be equal to, move this decimal point one time, it becomes 1.9 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1, because we have moved the decimal point one time to your right. Now, do you
Yes, sir.
understand why it is 1.9 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is that what you got?
No, I got 1.9 times 10 raised to the power minus 2.
Okay, is it 1.9 you got or 19 times?
1.9.
Okay, it is
1.9.
okay. If it is 1.9, it means it's wrong. But if it is 19, it's right. Okay, so it is either 1.9 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 or 19 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2, because you can move the decimal point one time again. Okay, so it is either this or this. Anything other than this is wrong. Okay, so for number 5, we are asked to express 2/10 in what's it called, in standard form. So 2/10 becomes 2 over 100, 2 over 10, right?
Yes, sir.
And 2 over 10 can be expressed as 2 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 1.
Sure.
Is this what you got?
No, I got, okay, yes, I got 2 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1.
Okay. Okay. So number 6, 7 millions. This will be equal to 7 divided by a million. So this is a million, and this is equal to 7 divided by 10 raised to the power of what? 6, which is equal to 7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 6. Is this what you got?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Number 7, this is 37,000. 37,000 can be expressed as 37 divided by 1,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you do this one?
Okay.
Based on how I did question 4, if you can solve it using the steps I took, then I think you'll get it. Because you are going to express it as 3.7, no longer 37.
Okay.
Yeah, so let me see you do it. You can turn your camera to face your book. Let me be seeing what you're writing. Are you using, I think you're holding the phone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me see what you're writing. Okay, go ahead and solve it then. You now show me what you're solving.
Okay, sir. 7. Sir, I'm done.
Okay, so let me see. What did you get?
3.7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2.
Okay, let me see what you did.
I did 37.
7 divided by what?
7 divided by 1000, then I simplified it to 37 over 10 minus raised to the power of minus 3 and 0.
Okay, and the power of 10 is now what? What did you get as the power of 10?
Minus 2.
Okay, so look at the board now. You see, I'm going to simplify it further. This is going to be 37 divided by 10 raised to the power of 3, and this is equal to 3.7 times 10 raised to the power of 1 divided by 10 raised to the power of 3. This now becomes 3.7 times 10 raised to the power of 1 minus 3, which is equal to 3.7 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. Okay, so that is your answer. Any question?
So please, can I take it to the
Let me know where you are confused.
No, it's I understand it.
Okay, and you understand? Do you understand how I simplified it at this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So let's take one more example before we move to the basic operations. Now, these ones, they're asking us to express it as decimals. The equations are given in standard forms. You have to express them as decimals, okay? So how do you write the following as decimals? We're asked to write the following as decimals. The first is 3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. 3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 can be written as this. 3 divided by 10,000. Remember? Or this is written as 3 divided by 10 to the power 4. Right?
Yes, sir.
And this is equal to 3 divided by 10,000. Right?
Yes, sir.
And this can be said to be, now, the decimal point is behind 3, right?
Yes, sir.
3 divided by 4, you have to move the decimal point how many times to the left? 4 times. So when you move it this way, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the decimal point, and we now have 3 zeros in front of it, right? So this becomes 0.0003 as decimal.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
No, any question? No question?
No, sir.
Okay. So
No question.
so we can move ahead with B. B, get set because you are going to solve others, okay? B
Yes, sir.
is 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5. So let's do it together. This is going to be what? 6 divided by 10 raised to the power of 5, right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 6 divided by 100,000, and this is going to,
100,000.
okay, and this is going to be 0. Now, if you look at the first example I solved, when it is raised to the power of 4 or minus 4, now we have 3 zeros in front of 3. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Now, when it is 10 raised to the power of minus 4, we have 3 zeros in front. Now that tells you that the number of zeros you get in front of the first significant figure is 1 less than the power of 10. When we had minus 4, we have 3 zeros in front of it. So if this is minus 5, now we are going to have 4 zeros in front of it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that this is going to be 0.1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So this is what you have as decimal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so I will expect you now to do 6 C, D, and E for me. Okay?
C, D, and E.
Yes. So do that and do it and then send it on WhatsApp, on Facebook. So I don't stress you holding your phone. Sorry, on YouTube.
Okay, but sir, your stream is not on my laptop. So,
Are you serious?
yes, sir.
Has it gone off?
They have not gone off.
I mean,
And someone sent you a message. I don't know if you have seen it.
okay, I've seen it now. Okay. I think it's network. It's network. So just solve them. Can you have you copied the questions?
No, sir. It's only C.
Okay, let me show you the questions again. Copy it so that you give me the answers on.
Sine 3.8 times 10 raised to the power of minus what?
Minus 4.
Okay. And E. Sine is 6.901
Yes.
times 10.
Raised to the power of minus 2. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can put down your phone and then solve it, after which you then show me.
Okay.
Is that okay? Pablo, good evening. Pablo, I'm going to fix a class for you on that subsequently, okay? So just give me a reminder, and but you promise me that we'll have enough students for this class. So if you can promise me that, then I'll prepare for a class on that. I believe what you meant is tangent. But Pablo, you can chat me up and we'll work on that. Sarah, can you see me on live now?
No, sir.
Wow. Okay, I'm going to end the stream, but I'll come up again.